Of the 300 million spermatozoa deposited in the woman's vagina during sexual intercourse, no more than a couple of hundred will be able to meet the egg in the fallopian tube. Of all of these, only one will manage to fertilize it. The road to fertilization in the human being involves a series of events that occur in an extremely precise chronological order. Amongst these are the changes the spermatozoa must go through to acquire the ability to fertilize the egg in a process called capacitation. Capacitation is a necessary condition for the spermatozoa, which reach the surroundings of the ovum to attain the high level of mobility and the physiological and structural changes that make it possible for a privileged member of their population to successfully fertilize the egg. During this journey, and in a stage whose details are still not fully understood, some spermatozoa start a process of breaking their membranes, during which they free enzymes stored inside their heads. It is the function of these enzymes to scatter the cumulus of cells that surround the oocyte, thus allowing other spermatozoa to advance in their journey toward the egg and come into contact with it. This way, of the many spermatozoa that reach the innermost part of the woman, some will have merely a cooperative function, helping to make it possible for one of them, with its membranes still intact, to carry out the fertilization of the egg. Fertilization is an act of cellular interaction, in which two gametes, very different in form and size, recognize each other and fuse in a highly regulated process. At the very moment the two gametes meet, they exchange signals. The transfer of genetic information can only take place, originating a new human being, once this rigorous procedure has been successfully completed.